Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about a British classic that is good in any kitchen and perfect for using up leftovers. Today it's time for one of my favourites, and that's bubble and squeak. Bubble and squeak's been around for centuries, and it's normally a dish that uses up vegetables that are left over Sunday roast. Bubble and squeak gets its name from how it cooks in the pan, where it bubbles and squeaks as it cooks and the steam releases from the pan as it fries up and caramelises on the bottom. This is one of my absolute key favourite dishes, and I've used it lots in professional coffee shops and kitchens. So how do you make a really good bubble and squeak?
So here I've got 500 grams of potatoes, 1 onion, 250 grams of cooked sprouts.
So like I said, the best way to do it is using leftover vegetables from Sunday. So roast potatoes or old jacket potatoes, some onions, some garlic, some sauteed cabbage from the day before. Fry all those up together like this.
Start with a nice big knob of butter, sizzle it up, add the onion, add the sprouts, saute those off, add the crushed potato, season, then cook it right down. That steam coming off is concentrating the flavour.
I mix it all together, season it, and then I shape it, and then I re-fry it as well. So there's a little bit of a chef kind of like technique. So I'm making the bubble and squeak, really good to eat as is, but then I take it off the heat, I shape it, I fry it, caramelise the outside, nice hot and fluffy on the inside, really tasty. Top of a fried egg or a poached egg.
I'm going to cook some bacon off first, so all the bacon fat will come out as it renders down, and then that bubble and squeak will be flavoured by the bacon fat. Fry it off so it's nice and crispy on the outside. I'll put a recipe for bubble and squeak in the comments. Now I'm going to plate it up, bubble and squeak on the plate, bit of bacon on top, topping that with a poached egg.
I've topped it with a hollandaise sauce. Love hollandaise, especially on bubble and squeak.
And that's about as tasty as it gets. Crispy bubble and squeak, smoked bacon, poached egg and hollandaise.
And there you have it, a meal fit for a king. So get into the back of your fridge, dig out your leftovers, fry them off, get a big knob of butter in there, season it up, you get a perfect bubble and squeak. But if you want more brunch ideas like this, please like, subscribe to the channel. That's the best way to support me as a growing cooking channel. All the support helps. Thumbs up for that. See you next time. If you want some more brunch ideas, watch this video next. See you next time. Bye now, that's Gary's Kitchen now.